morning from the Sun Guest House, right at the heart of Nyeri town, and JiPOS here. Nothing else. Full-fledged hotel, from restaurant, accommodation, inventory, and all that. We have to interact with this team. It's a beautiful team. We know one another. We train them. We create a relationship that is a work relationship, and help them streamline their business operation. That is what we do, and that is what JiPOS does. That is what we are here to do. Yeah. So we are expecting good audience, and of course, good learners by the end of the day. Enda kwa open sales. Utatafuta hii sale. Where are you headed? Second session of the training. And in the second session, inventory. Whole inventory, and we'll just be done with this. Nothing much. That is the core of JiPOS. Inventory, stock control, accounting, procurement, all that bundled in one product. JiPOS. And then something that I also maybe just mention. Before you click this order, be very careful. Yes, counter check. Because you're not just like ushaweka item hapo tuna place. Counter check, is this what I wanted? Because when labda umeweka Colgate mtu alipata kutoka cash. Counter check, is the quantity correct? Hiyo price inakuja vizuri. Na ni tunasema tu quantity ni sawa, price inakuja vizuri.
This is Sun Guest House in Nyeri, right inside Nyeri town. And second day, this is a chill morning. Second day of training. Mount Kenya is locked.
Locked, fully locked. Nyeri, Karatina, wherever, Embu, Nyahururu, everywhere. Mount Kenya, actually Nyahururu is Rift Valley. Mount Kenya, locked, completely.
Nyahururu is in Rift Valley?
Yes.
Okay. And the cold here is the same as the one in Nyahururu.
I felt cold the whole of last night, but it's a good place. Yeah, we understand we are in the season for, is it called low temperatures season? Yeah.
So Sun Guest House is onboarded to the JiPOS tribe.
Fully onboarded right here.
Okay.
So we streamline their operations, and we just wish them the best business, and of course in implementing procedures that work, not two which doesn't work.
Are they going live?
They're live already. Yeah.
Good.
Good afternoon. This is Sun Guest House Hotel in Nyeri town, and what brought us here is JiPOS, and we're just done heading back to Nairobi. We came here to streamline their business workflows and operations. JiPOS now working for them, wish them all the best. It's a continuing business, it's not a new business. JiPOS in Mount Kenya, JiPOS in Nyeri, JiPOS everywhere. Next, it will be JiPOS into your business. That is what we do. We streamline business workflows and operations, make it efficient, make it work for you. Keep it JiPOS.